Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. In today's video, you know what time it is, you know who this is, and this video is going to be about Clickbank for beginners, how you can get started making money from home with this beautiful system called Clickbank. Now, Amazon is one of my favorite affiliate products, affiliate services, and Clickbank, in my opinion, is right behind them because you can leverage their products and make a commission right from it. So right here, we at the page of Clickbank, and it's free to start an account. It's free to go ahead and start an account. I'm already logged in here, but when you start an account, you'll go ahead and just get started. So it'll be right here. I'm gonna log out really quick. This is just an account I just made up. So I just kind of made this account for this video just to kind of show you how it goes. So if you don't have an account here, you'll go ahead and sign right here. It says Clickbank Client Contract. You'll click right there and you will go through the process of getting signed up through their issue, through their contract. Really easy to sign up. You'll go ahead and go through the process with that. So I'm going to go ahead and log in real fast here, and it's going to be right here. It's an account I just kind of made up just for this particular service. And the first thing you want to do is go to Marketplace at the top here, Marketplace. Now you want to go to Marketplace because we want to find some product and services that we want to go ahead and promote and make a commission from it. So right here, down here in the Marketplace, everything in red are specific niches. Now, Clickbank has been around a long time, and they've helped so many affiliates out there to make full-time income, part-time income. I've made some income off Clickbank as well, utilizing products from here, and they have really good customer service, and they pay you pretty much on time, and that's very important as well. So right back here, you have the specific niches. You have the niches. You have arts and entertainment, employment, jobs, fiction, games, all the 9 yards. You got travel and sports there. Now, when I went through it, I was looking at my specific niche, and that was all about business investing, and I also went through the employment and jobs. So let's just go to one of the specific niches here. So you'll click right on the arrow here, and so employment and jobs is one of the first categories I went through. So if you end to make money from home, work from home, in terms of side jobs, then this is a good niche to go into. So right here, you want to go ahead, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is sort by the specific information, which is your gravity. Now the gravity, the higher the better numbers in terms of popularity. So you want to look for a gravity a little bit higher than like 30. You want to look for a gravity that's really going to give you pretty much the information by that. So you want to look for gravity that's really high. And right here, gravity is 38. So this is a really good product. Actually, this product right here is what I actually promoted and made a sale. Actually made a few sales off this. And this is writing job to get paid to write. So right here, the gravity is good. And here you're selling for $138.26. Now also you want to look for the amounts of, make sure that is pretty much at least 30 above as well, 50 above. I would recommend at least 25 or above in terms of promoting products. 138.26 is not bad at all. So you want to go ahead and click on here, and you'll go ahead and get the information right from writingsjob.com. So that's the link for it, really. And pretty much writing for jobs, pretty much you can write different articles. You can write anything that has the website for, and is really, really popular. It's one of those type of jobs of where if you love to write, this would be a product to do. So, and one thing you want to do is maybe try the product. Try the product first before you go ahead and sell it, because then you really can be able to promote it. So you choose your job, submit your work, get paid. So that's what that writing job is. And if you want to go ahead and promote it, you'll click right there, and then hits where you earn 75 commission for every customer you refer to this product. You definitely want to look at least 50% or above in terms of the commission. This is an excellent product to go ahead and promote because it's 75%, which is kind of rare. Usually it's around 50, sometimes even below 50, but this is a product you want to go ahead and sell. So you want to go ahead and generate hot links. So it's generating the link that you're going to go ahead and promote. So you'll take this link here, right here, copy it. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that link just to kind of test it out. And this is the link that you will go ahead and promote. So the link is all set up, and you see my username, which is right here attached. That way, when I send that link to a specific customer, this customer will go ahead and take over. Just go ahead and buy the product. Now, what you want to do with a product like this, you want to set up like a capture page, which meaning a capture page is a way of collecting the information from the customer. So a basic capture page in terms of how they can make money from home, you get the email address and they'll go right to this page. So you want to connect the capture page to this page to make the sale. If you have any information about that, just hit me in the comment line and I'll go ahead and give you information about setting up a capture page. Now, let me go back here. So that's basically it in terms of picking a product. You want to make sure you have the link for it. And then you also want to be able to promote it as well. So the next thing you want to do is, how do you promote Clickbank if you're a beginner? Well, there's many ways of doing it. Right below this video, I'm going to have a recommended solo ad provider. So if you're a make money from home niche, if you want to go and sell a product like this, I'll have a solo ad vendor provider's name right below this video, and he can go ahead and get in contact with you and go ahead and start promoting this product if it's make money from home type thing, because his niches is all about making money from home. The solo ad vendor is a person that has a list already. He's going to take your offer and send it through his list, and then you'll go ahead and get leads and even sales off that list. So it's basically another way of promoting your offer or information. The other thing you can do, obviously, you can do a YouTube channel. You can actually set up a YouTube channel about that specific niche. So if it's writingjobs.com, you probably can look for certain keywords and do a video about that specific thing. Let me go ahead and type in writing jobs from home. Let me see here. So you actually can do a video about writing jobs. You pretty much can do something like she done. Let's see here. Like, you can make a video, if you like, about making money from home, about writing from home. And then after that, you can literally have the affiliate link right below the video. That way, they go right to that page. But you want to have a capture page first, and then you want to have the sales page, which is the sales page will be this page right here that we went to before. So Clickbank is another way of making money from home. It's another way of utilizing their products for you can make a commission from it. And products like this I really like because they have a simple, really good sales letter, and they have a really good 7-day free trial. So a person can kind of come in there, check out the system out, and then, if they like it or not, they can stay in it. If they don't like it, they can get out of it. So I like products that have a 7-day free trial. That's my opinion. But if you really go back to the marketplace, they have several jobs and several opportunities that you can go ahead and market those specific opportunities. Well, that's all I got, guys. That's what I wanted to do. Clickbank's for beginner. Just choose a product, choose a niche. You will just go ahead and click on promote. First, you want to go ahead and look at the product like we went to before. This is another one called photographysjobs.net. This is another product that I promoted before, and it's the same thing. You want to take the link here and you want to watch the videos and watch the product. I even pay for the product. That way you know more about it, and then you can sell it through YouTube, or you can use a solo ad vendor to go ahead and promote your product as soon as possible. All right, that's all I got. Hey, one more thing I was just thinking about. We're talking about Clickbank and affiliate marketing products, but I have the #1 recommendation of making money from home for high ticket opportunities where you can make money as soon as, a couple of days, maybe in a month, maybe 2 months. But I have a link right below here so you can go ahead and get started. And with this, you'll be access to your coach, you have an advisor, and you'll have a step-by-step process of how you can kind of, make money from home right away. Clickbank is really good, but this is more long-term. It can really walk you through the steps. I'll be there every step of the way in terms of promoting you and holding you accountable. So click on the link below for more information about that, and I'll see you on the inside, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned in the next video. I think the next video, I'm going to talk about ways of how you can sell your product. So once you got a product, I'm going to break down a couple of things of how you can sell it. I'll see you guys later. This is Adam Shelton. You know what time it is. You know who this is. It is time to go ahead and close out. I'll see you tomorrow.